Ready to make your animations look like a majestic waterfall. Alright, let's get started by opening Adobe Animate. Create a new project with the default settings and then choose a stage size suitable for your scene. In the first scene, name the first layer background. Let's create our backdrop first. On the background layer, use the rectangle tool to draw a shape that covers your entire stage, then fill it with a gradient of your choice to simulate a sky and some natural elements. Create a new layer named Water. This layer will be for the water animation. With the brush tool, draw the general shape of your waterfall. Remember, at this stage, think about the outline of the falling water. Now, let's add the movement on the water layer, and at the first frame, select the shape of the waterfall you drew before. Then create a keyframe at frame 10. Then, distort the shape of the water to simulate the waterfall as it falls, using the free transform tool to create the illusion of motion. And that is it for keyframes. Now the last step, select both keyframes, then right-click and select Create Classic Tween. Do this, and the water will be animated. Play the animation to see your waterfall in action. Finally, you could experiment with transparency to increase the animation realism, and it is good practice. And don't be afraid to add more detail to your water to make it more stunning. And there you have it, a cascading waterfall animation created in Adobe Animate.